Here we got a Golden Eagle Mark II. It's seen better days. It is what it is. I've got a few crystals that are dead. And channel 10 seems to work. 9 is dead. 23 is dead. There's quite a few of them. Find my paper. I think it's on the other side. Anyway, I found out this thing, instead of it being in fixed position for normal 23 channels, it's got to be in manual. It's got 3 crystals on the bottom of it. I assume it's lowers, regulars, and uppers. You put it in BB mode, it'll be uppers. But that's what I figured out. The damn thing would not spot. And this is about as close as I can get it. I think the dial's off a little bit. The fine tune control was loose. And there's if I can zoom in, there's a resistor. See if I can find something to point with. This resistor, gotta look through the view screen. Maybe I can get it at it over here. Boy, this is tough. Right down in here. That resistor right there that my ink pen's pointing at, was broke from where it connects to right there. The fine tune control, because the whole thing was moving and it broke off, so I soldered a wire onto it because the resistor wouldn't reach where it's supposed to go. But I repaired that, kind of MacGyvered it. So here's the spot. It's about as close as I can get it. Let me push the button and try to tune it. You can hear it. Speaker's a little funky on this thing. Hear it vibrating. Anyway, that's pretty close. And if I key it up, I'm going to turn this volume down a little bit because it sounds terrible. It does try to ping my little dosimeter, 4 watts. And that second mark is calibrated with a dozy or a bird. And that second mark right up there is 13, so you can see what it's doing there. I haven't switched it to side, well, I don't transmit in sideband anyway. Don't have the sideband unit hooked up, but that's where I'm at so far. She needs capacitors. Well, ain't that lovely? Probably going to need a speaker too, as bad as that thing sounds. But here's injecting a tone into it. The tone don't sound too bad. I got to figure out how to calibrate this fine tune. Somebody put Mark III knobs on it, and I'm sure that mark right there isn't exactly the center. So there you got it. But I had it in fixed mode yesterday, and I wasn't receiving anything until I flipped it over and seen the crystals on the bottom and figured that part out. Turn that down just a little bit so it don't bang. As you can tell, you turn the RF gain down. Or maybe it's the squelch. No. Oh, got it going through the signal generator still. There we go. Here's the ping again. So it does try to ping. Let's see where I'm at here on the... Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. I do have it set on modulation. Anyway, she needs a little bit of work. But that's 4 watts dead key. There you go. That's what I got so far. Bada boom, bada beam.